Hi, today I'm going to make this beautiful Bandarwal. Very easy to make and adds a really lovely festive decor to your homes and doorways. Materials required are these are artificial flowers made of cloth, some golden beads, some extra artificial plastic filler kind of flowers. These are hangings which you get, these are white beads. This is a lace of white beads and a cardboard. I have cut this lace according to the width of my door, so you can cut it according to the door size that you have. Now these are slightly thick wires I have. What I'm going to do is just take this wire and take this lace, and since this has holes, so I'm just going to just put it like this through and through, leaving going up and down the thread. So this will keep the lace stiff. If you have one long wire according to the width of the lace, that will be perfect. So since I didn't have, so I'm going to use this, like so. So I'll just do the entire thing. I will now put these hangings or kalire as they're called at 5 places on the lower side of this hanging. So I just cut a thin wire, a small piece. I'll take one of these. Form a loop and just take this and put it on the wire and through the holes of the hanging, the lace, like this, and then I'll just twist it. Just cut off this extra bit. So it will hang like this. So I'll put it at the other 5 points. So this is how they look. Now I am going to put loops of this thin wire at these 5 spots on the top side. So just take the wire and at the same spot as these hangings, so just insert it and make a loop. So you can hang it with this. So I'll put this on the other spots also. I've cut this piece of cardboard, a strip of cardboard, which is about half of the whole length of the lace. So I'll just stick it at the back of this lace and just apply some glue. It like this, and so make sure your loops are free and not sticking on the cardboard. So this will give it more strength to take the weight. And let it dry. Now I'll take these flowers. I'm going to stick them on the lace. So just apply some glue. Start from here. And similarly, I'm just going to stick them all over the lace. Now in the gaps that are left on the lace, I'm going to stick these flowers, the orange ones, like so. Just sort of, put them wherever, and put these also. This to fill it up, so like fillers. So just take the glue. You can use any glue which you're comfortable with. I felt this worked better, hot glue gun. So like this, I'll just fill it up. So this is how it's going to look. Now I've got these flowers and long stems. So I'll just tie them together. Cut out a slightly longer piece. And this I'm going to hang right at the corner, right at one edge. So just put them through and make a loop, just like we've done for the others. So I'll hang it in the same way. So this is how it will look. So now I have taken these two strings of pearls, of white pearls and golden ones. So the white ones are slightly shorter than the golden ones. So I'm just going to put them in a loop. Like so. And around each of these hangings. So I'll just take a toothpick or so. You can do it with a needle, of course. And tie it around its back. And just take the center point of this so you can even measure it. And this would be around 10 inches. So I'll just So I get both the threads and just tie a knot, and similarly I'll do on the other side. This is how it will look. So I'll make the similar loops around the whole thing. And this is how it's going to look after it's finished. A very easy to make Bandarwal.